Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drones for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Forcel UFO 4000 LED mini drones for kids. Easily controllable by remote, this mini drone is a great toy for kids. Recognized as a type of LED compact RC flying toys, this drone is quite easy to fly. Moreover, it comes equipped with simple joystick directional controls and one key start-stop. You will find the inclusion of durable propeller guards enclosed with glowing LEDs that are colorful. This LED illuminated mini drone is an excellent gift ideas for children. Moving on at number 4, we have the SANROCK drone for kids with camera. The present model of the SANROCK drone is equipped with a 720p 30fps HD camera. It can effectively record the awesome moment and allows you to relish your flying without any issues. When kids fly it, this drone presents smooth transmission and clear imaging. Moreover, the 90-degree adjustable wide angle assists you to watch all the landscape. When you are thinking to offer a beautiful gift to your kids, consider buying this drone with a camera. The basic features contained in this drone are one key takeoff land, altitude hold mode, and emergency stop. For adults, the app control will prove highly useful. At number 3, we have the Q9 drones for kids, RC drone with altitude hold and headless mode. Your children will love seeing the sky above illuminated with lights with the included bright LEDs. In simple terms, this Q9 drone provides a dynamic neon green and blue colored light all over its frame. As a result, you will get a powerful illuminating effect and a bright flight experience. Moreover, there is the inclusion of 3 diverse display modes for illumination. Due to user-friendly operation, you can easily take off, land or return this drone with a single button. At number 2, we have the EACHINE EO16H 2.4 GHz 6-axis RC Nano Quadcopter. Boasting the secure, fully enclosed design, this Nano Quadcopter is quite easy to fly for kids. There is a removable protective cover that is specially designed to prevent injury to kids. With the implementation of the 3D flip function, kids can easily start or land it with a single key. So, it is quite easy for them to play with it. And finally at number 1, we have the Spacekey FPV Wi-Fi drone with camera. The Spacekey FPV drone is equipped with an HD camera that enhances the convenience to capture pictures and record live videos. Kids will certainly enjoy flying and recording awesome moments from the air. There is a 120-degree wide-angle lens allowing you to capture real color and panoramic views. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.